Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audison, and today's video is all about the brand new Defender 110 that we've upgraded with a detachable tow bar solution. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Prima amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So we have the brand new Defender 110 in with us for the tow bar solution. The vehicle was delivered to our customer without one. However, he needed one, and that's exactly why he's here today. And let's show you exactly what we've done. So what have we actually added on to the vehicle itself? We've added on a detachable tow bar system as well as a dedicated wiring loom, which we'll go through later on. But in terms of what's actually involved in actually doing the install, we remove the factory bumper, then remove the factory crash beam. Also, what we have to do is drop our blue tank, and also what we have to do is actually kind of remove the towing eyes and then relocate them back into the vehicle once the tow bar is installed. The bar then sits into the crash beam's place, so the crash beam is fully removed from the vehicle and now replaced with the actual bar that sits behind the scenes. But you have got a fully detachable mechanism, right, nice and easily and accessible to use, but also can return the vehicle back to a stock look whenever you feel like it. Let's start off by talking about the actual neck itself, then we'll move on to the electrics and the importance of electrics. In terms of the actual neck design, this is what's called a swan neck design with an Alco hitch. Really easy and accessible design to hook on pretty much anything nowadays onto there. Plus you've got a really nice discreet design as well. There is a small bumper cut into the bottom of the bumper, but it's only really noticeable if you're right underneath the vehicle. When you're looking at the vehicle from further back, you're not going to see that at all. So it's not a visible bumper cut. In terms of this design of the neck, how you actually remove it is basically you push in and twist, and then the neck releases, and that is the design of the swan neck itself. If you're interested in knowing how to maintain and look after a detachable neck, we've done a full separate video on that as well, worth watching. But you've got the design here where this basically slots straight in. It is spring loaded, so as soon as this goes in, as you can see, it catches there. Really easy, nice and easy to do. Plus you've got a key that locks it actually right into place there as well. In terms of the electrics, if you pull this down, it drops down nice and accessible. You've got a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom here. The 13-pin dedicated wiring loom goes into given points from manufacturer, retains safety features as well as a whole host of other stuff. Really important that you have a dedicated wiring loom installed on your vehicle. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you are interested in having something like this on your vehicle, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. More than happy to go through everything with you in a load more detail, plus grab you pricing and more details on the actual products themselves. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. But thank you very much. We'll see you soon.